One thing became very clear during our Path to Profit live webinar that we just hosted, where we covered how to build an open to buy and align it with your productivity, with your gross margin ROI. Most inventory problems don't start with the demand. They start with the buying decisions that aren't grounded in inventory productivity. We walk through how to build an open to buy model that does not just tell you how much you're buying, but also tells you when you should not buy, especially when your gross margin ROI is deteriorating. We also broke down how to separating priority buys from risk buys changes team behavior across the entire season and dramatically reduces end of the season exposure. If you missed the session, the replay is available now. And if that surfaced gaps in how your team is currently managing inventory, that's exactly where the real margin recovery starts. Watch the replay, link is in the description, and drop the comment below if you want help applying this to your business.